What's the meaning of conceptualism? Conceptualism. Conceptualism.
Conceptualism. Conceptualism. Conceptualism is a philosophical theory that emphasizes the role of concepts in the understanding and interpretation of the world around us. It posits that our experiences of objects, events, and phenomena are shaped by our mental categories and frameworks, and that these categories are constructed by language, culture, and history. In other words, what we perceive as reality is always mediated by our conceptual systems. This view has important implications for epistemology, metaphysics, and aesthetics, and it has been influential in fields such as art, literature, and architecture.